So this lecture is to introduce about 50 words being used as abbreviation in Pakistan NTS preparation as also CSS as a general knowledge. Published by ES Spoken English. We teach online. So the first and the foremost word is very interesting to tell you. That is news. It's a combination and jumbled 4 words in the 4 direction been taken in this. N for news, N for north, east, south and west. The second word is the BBC, is the British Broadcasting Corporation, is a news. And the CID, one of the favorite of among all of the people in this world, CID has been used for the Criminal Investigation Department. For more and more tests, you can go to our website englishea.com. You can take the link for this test being used in Urdu as a spell well or abbreviation test in Urdu on Google. You can search to take tests to make your practice perfect in abbreviation and spelling tests. The next thing is that CSP is the Civil Service of Pakistan. CSS is the examination system as a computation central superior services. DIG, Deputy Inspector General. And FANA, Federally Administrated Northern Area. It's been pronounced in Urdu FANA, such as FATA is different but sort of pronouncing is the same. FANA, Federally Administrated Northern Area. And FATA is Federally Administrated Tribal. So the GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. GHQ as General Headquarters, and FIR, First Information Report, the criminal crimes, and after that it's been reported as a First Information Report, is known as FIR. IBM is a company. It's very common, people know about this product. It's International Business Machine. IBM stands for that. ISPR, Inter-Services Public Relation. And ISSB is Inter-Services Selection Board. MBA is a Master in Business Administration. MES is Military Engineering Services. NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. NOC is a certificate being taken as no objection certificate when someone wants to do another job apart from this job, so he needs an objection certificate, so it's called NOC, that is no objection certificate. OIC is Organization of Islamic Conference. PCS is Public Service Commission. SAARC is SAARC is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SSG, Special Services Group, my favorite one. And UNICEF is United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. UNO is United Nations or United Nations Organization. USA as United States America. WAPDA is Water and Power Development Authority. What about WASA? It's Water and Sanitation Agency. It's been used as Sanitary and Water Agency. Let's talk about ISAF, is International Security Assistance Force. LPG is a liquefied petroleum gas. CNG is compressed natural gas. ECG is electrocardiography. RAM is random access memory. Laser is a light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Radar is radio detection and ranging. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndromes. WWW is the World Wide Web, such as www.englishea.com. So the DN stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Sonar is a sound navigation and ranging such as laser and radar. It's been used to check out the depth of the sea or depth of the water, what is inside. How deep is that? It's been used for the water purposes inside the sea and oceans. The next thing is the CPU, Central Processing Unit. And what about LCD is a liquid crystal display. KHZ is kilohertz. It's also known as hertz and kilohertz. KV is kilovolt. NADRA is a National Database and Registration Authority that checks out your CNIC numbers and takes your details, your personals, your family number. Your CNIC number is been saved in the database as registration in the authority of NADRA. So it stands for National Database and Registration Authority. LED is a light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is LED. And HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol. For more and more tests, you can go to our website EnglishEA.com. You can take the link for this test being used in Urdu as a spell well or abbreviation test in Urdu on Google. You can search to take tests to make your practice perfect in abbreviation and spelling tests.